Goodbyes aren't always easy, but it's better to have loved and lost than to never have loved at all. Somebody famous said that. Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Ozzstar channel. I'm Glenn, and if you're new to the channel, you may not recognize the 77 Corvette behind me. It's been in a few videos over the last couple of years. I did a 5-part series, Back to Life it was called. The car sat unused from the previous owner, probably about 15 years. It wasn't running, it was looking pretty ugly, and we got it up and going, but this video is not really about that. This video is more about saying goodbye and selling cars, and when we buy cars and when we use cars, more of a, it's almost like a personality kind of thing. So a lot of times you'll hear guys say, oh man, I should have kept that car, I should have never sold it. You know, whether it was they just really enjoyed it, or maybe they paid $2,000 for it and now it's on Barrett Jackson for $100,000. You know the deal. But this car has been sold. I did make the decision to sell it. I've had it for a couple years now, and you know, I've had a little bit of fun in it. Haven't had too many crazy memories with it. You have, like any Corvette, it's like a thoroughbred racehorse. When they're running good, they're fantastic. You love them. When they're not running so fast, they're a big pain in the headache anyway. And they cost some money to feed, just like a horse. But anyway, it's all about the fun here. And it has moved on. I sold it to a gentleman in southeastern Pennsylvania, so the car won't be too far from where I live. I'm here in Delaware, and maybe I'll see it around. I do know him, so possibly I can get updates down the road. It'll be interesting as the years go by, what happens to the car, where it goes, and if I can follow it, I would. I enjoy the history of the car. I know where this car came from and how it wound up being, you know, in my possession. So it's kind of neat. I love history of different types of vehicles, you know, all my cars, and it's cool to just know. It's one of those car geeky kind of things. So just letting you guys know, basically this video is I sold the car. A lot of people ask me, like when I got the 18 Grand Sport, did you sell the 93? You still got it? So now we all know, yeah, I still have the 93 and I still plan on keeping the 18. And this car is, you know, basically what I am is a custodian. So like a lot of us, like me, you out there that take care of your cars and treat your cars well and maintain them, even if it isn't a cool sports car, you still love your car. You got memories in it, driving around with your sweetheart or your kids, and you went here or there. You've got all kinds of, you know, stories. The more miles, the more stories usually. So it's a pretty cool thing. As a custodian, I take care of my cars. I maintain them, keep them nice for the next person, pass it on, and hopefully that person will continue the search, or not the search, but the future down the road for the car to have an existence, and other people can enjoy it. So it's kind of a neat thing. You know, it's bittersweet, but I need room in the garage, and you never know what's coming next, so stay tuned. Anyway, there will be a spot open here. So thanks for coming along. Maybe I'll put a couple clips in the video, the car, and that's basically it. It's all about being a custodian of a car and taking care of it, maintaining it, preserving it, and enjoying it, and that's about it. So anyway, good luck to the new owner. Hope he has fun with it, and leave me a comment down below if you ever had a car, or just a memory of a car that you sold or you bought and what it meant to you. That would be cool to share our stories here. So I really do appreciate the interaction on the channel. And other than that, sometimes goodbyes are, you know, hard to do, but you got to do what you got to do. So I'll see you on the next one. You take it easy.